Cherries?
Yeah, right.
Of course I do. I just like to sleep a lot. Speaking of which, I think I'll go back to sleep now. Bye, Cherries.
Did you know Bob could do that? Bob, you didn't.
Why are you still here?
We're arms too.
No, what kind of weirdo has no arms? Now leave me alone so I can sleep. Huh? Back!
What did you say about armless people?
Oh, well, you see, the cherries.
What is that supposed to mean?
The cherries only
Dared me to say that.
It was just a big joke. Right, right, cherries? Ah! What? They're gone! They were just here, I swear!
You're calling us names and lying to us? Alright, you asked for it. Baseball, get him.
No.